Hey guys, welcome back. Another episode of installing my singles and turn singles and horn. So the reason I stopped is because the module, you see right here, the module came burnt. So damn, I just got it. I was a little upset. I came and I was like, okay, let me do some research. I hit up XTC guys. There was a number on Google. I called him. It was quick customer service. I called the guy. He was like, when'd you purchase it? I said 3 nights ago. He said, from where? I said, Amazon. Next thing I know, he's like, all right, that's fine. Go to our website and we have a warranty. Fill out warranty slip out. I did. Shipped it. I overnighted it. I shipped it Friday night, and I got it today, Tuesday. So I'm really happy with their service. I give them a 5 stars. They're like good guys, As you can see, the blinkers are working. My horn works, and I'm really excited. Stay tuned.